Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Legal Battles Unleashed. Today, we have a sensational case that has captivated the nation. Hip-hop superstar A$AP Rocky is taking music mogul Sean P. Diddy Combs to court, alleging child tracking. Strap in and get ready for a legal showdown like no other. Our story begins with A$AP Rocky, the influential rapper known for his chart-topping hits and fashion-forward style. Just a few months ago, A$AP Rocky shocked the world with a shocking revelation during a press conference. He claimed that P. Diddy had been involved in an elaborate child tracking scheme. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today to expose a dark secret. P. Diddy, a man I once respected, has been tracking my child without my knowledge or consent. This is a violation of our privacy and must be brought to justice. The allegation sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry. A$AP Rocky's claims are serious and demand a thorough investigation. Today, we delve into the proceedings of this high-stakes courtroom battle. Your Honor, esteemed members of the jury, we will prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that P. Diddy orchestrated a child tracking operation involving A$AP Rocky's son. Our evidence will expose the truth and hold the defendant accountable for his actions. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case is based on wild allegations with no concrete evidence. Our client P. Diddy vehemently denies any involvement in this alleged child tracking scheme. We will demonstrate that these claims. Your Honor, esteemed members of the jury, we will prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that P. Diddy orchestrated a child tracking operation involving A$AP Rocky's son. Our evidence will expose the truth and hold the defendant accountable for his actions. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case is based on wild allegations with no concrete evidence. Our client P. Diddy vehemently denies any involvement in this alleged child tracking scheme. We will demonstrate that these claims are nothing more than a desperate attempt to tarnish his reputation. A$AP Rocky's ex-partner takes the stand, revealing shocking details about P. Diddy's unusual interest in their child. The witness testifies about suspicious encounters and encounters that raise questions about P. Diddy's intentions. An expert uncovers a series of digital footprints that lead back to P. Diddy's organization. The expert explains how the tracking system worked, providing the court with a technical understanding of the alleged operation. A renowned private investigator, hired by A$AP Rocky's legal team, presents compelling evidence that links P. Diddy to the child tracking operation. This witness sheds light on P. Diddy's motive, revealing a tangled web of personal vendettas and hidden agendas. The prosecution aggressively cross-examines A$AP Rocky's ex-partner, challenging the witness's credibility and attempting to poke holes in their testimony. The courtroom tension reaches its peak as the truth hangs in the balance. The defense lawyer meticulously questions the expert, aiming to discredit their findings and prove that the alleged digital footprints could be fabricated. The battle of wits between the defense and the expert witness keeps the audience on the edge of their seats. The prosecution delivers a compelling closing argument, weaving together the testimonies and evidence to present a clear picture of P. Diddy's guilt. They emphasize the importance of protecting children's privacy and seek justice for A$AP Rocky's son. The defense lawyer delivers an impassioned closing argument, emphasizing the lack of concrete evidence and questioning the credibility of the witnesses. They assert that this case is a smear campaign against a successful businessman, urging the jury not to be swayed by emotions. After days of intense courtroom drama, the jury has reached a verdict. Let's listen in as the judge reads out the decision. Judge, we, the jury, find the defendant, Sean P. Diddy Combs, not guilty of the charges of child tracking. The prosecution failed to provide sufficient evidence to prove his involvement beyond a reasonable doubt. The courtroom may have reached its verdict, but the controversy surrounding this case is far from over. Join us next week as we delve deeper into the aftermath of this extraordinary trial and explore the impact it has had on the lives of those involved. Ladies and gentlemen, this trial has been a rollercoaster of emotions, exposing the dark side of fame and fortune. We hope you've enjoyed this gripping courtroom battle. Join us next time on Legal Battles Unleashed for more captivating stories about high-profile legal cases. Remember, the events depicted in this script are fictional and purely for entertainment purposes.